Boy, do I love The Legend of Zelda. Each and every one of their games, well, most of their games, are beyond magnificent. All of the games are so beautiful and so well done, and thanks to the creator, whose name I'm not even going to try to pronounce, so I'm going to throw it on the screen right now. Thanks to him, he's brought us these games that are so unique and have brought so many unique mechanics. But The Legend of Zelda is not perfect. It breaks a lot of physics. And I want to share a few examples with you. Let's start simple, shall we? Look at this. If you can't tell what's wrong with this, then I don't know what to do with you. This picture is from The Legend of Zelda Ocarina of Time, which came out in 1998. Though, on the picture it does say 1986, but it's wrong. McDonough, please correct me if I am wrong, but I'm pretty sure it came out in 1998. If you have yet to figure out what's wrong in the picture, then let me help you. The block that is sitting on the edge is hanging mostly over the edge, and yet the block is not tilting. Every solid object has something called the center of mass, and when an object is sitting at the edge, as long as the center of mass is behind the edge, it will not tilt and fall. The overhang has to be shorter than what is sitting on the table, or else the object will fall. Now, looking back at the picture, we can clearly see that the overhang is far greater than what is sitting on the platform, so the block should be tilting and falling, but it's not. Okay, that was a pretty easy one. Now, let's look at something a little bit more complicated, and to do so, I shall show you a video. So, what was so wrong about that? Well, the fact that he was able to drop that distance and stop himself with the paraglider almost instantly and not have his arms ripped off or his not be able to grip that is, well, physically impossible, and I will explain why. Let's take a look at my absolutely beautiful photo here. Calculated out, this drop is around 95 meters long. Now, I'm not quite sure what the exact mass of Link is, but we're just going to say that he's average male mass, which is around 70 kilograms. Now, if you take Link's mass times the length of the drop times the acceleration of 9.8, which is gravity, you will find out what the force of impact after he pulled the paraglider out would be. All of that calculated out, you get 65,000 newtons of force, which is equivalent to around 15,000 pounds. No, wrong kind of pounds. That's better? The point is that with that amount of force, Link would not have been able to hang on to his paraglider. Or at least if he was able to hang on to his paraglider, his arms would have been ripped off or his internal organs would have been crushed from the impact. Well, that's enough physics for the insane for one day. Thank you for watching, and yeah.